Alright guys, so in this section, we are going to be looking at vectors, well technically this little unit. But the first thing, I know this is fuzzy, I just wasn't able to grab that from the book for some reason, not fuzzy, so we'll just deal with it. But, so we are going to be looking at scalars. Scalars are a number that indicate magnitude or size. And then vectors are a quantity that has magnitude and direction. So velocity of a football, for instance, is a vector because it describes speed and direction of the ball. So in the next slide, we're going to get through 3 examples, but a vector must have 2 pieces: magnitude, so the value of it, and the direction. So, 50 miles per hour in the east direction, something like that, all right? So there's nothing you really need to know on here except define what a vector is. So go ahead, take that sentence, and then you guys can move over to the next slide.